Hello everyone, this is Tarot's Galaxy 1111 and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do the pick a card reading and the topic of the pick a card reading, what are their current feelings and thoughts. Okay, what are their current feelings and thoughts, and these are the three groups I have done. The pile number 1 is the white stone, pile number 2 is the blue stone, and pile number 3 is the brown stone. Okay, so we will start with the reading. I would like to let you know that these are the general readings, so it may or may not be resonating with each and everyone, so please take the messages wisely. Okay, and at the end of the reading I will pull some advice cards from the unicorn stacks. Okay, so what are their current feelings for you? I will pull 3 cards, okay, for the feelings in the first line, and then I will put the second line 3 cards that will be the actions. Okay, okay, and the actions, very nice, and the bottom of the deck is the sun, very good. So in the right now they are not feeling good enough. Okay, and some of you it may be one person want to offer their love, cup of love, and some one person is not ready to take that offer. Okay, so one queen of cups in reverse and king of cups in upright, so it shows us that one person is ready to offer their cup of love and one person is not ready to accept the cup, and that's why the world card, it is a major arcana, it is in reverse. The world, they are you are feeling that your world is stuck. Okay, somewhere the pause. Okay, and you can't go forward because of this stuckness and because of this mindset. It might be you or it might be your current partner. Okay, and either you are not want to take their offer or they don't want to offer their cup. Okay, but but they will offer the cup. Okay, one person is ready to offer the cup, and I think the masculine energy is ready to offer the cup and the feminine energy is not ready to accept the cup. This is the power couple, this is the power couple, king of cups and queen of cups. Okay, so right now they are thinking to offer you the cup of love, they want to propose you, they want to uh, give you the commitment, or they want to give you the strong opportunity, commitment. Okay, and in the actions, the death, one person is going into the transformation. That person might be Scorpio, okay, or maybe water sign, or you might be the water sign, and the transformation is happening in this situation, or that it might be happening in this person's life. Okay, but even though there is a death, it is sun is going to arise. See the sun. Okay, the sun is here, sun is going to arise. So let the transformation happen. Okay, right now they are stuck, that's why they are not able to move quickly, but they want, because the wheel is going to turn. Okay, or maybe in the current past they haven't taken any action, but they will do. The wheel of fortune, the luck is in your favor and their favor, and the 8 of wands. Okay, 8 of wands is the quick communication, it might be the message call, or they might be email, telephonic or telepathic communication. Okay, so very nice, they want to take the action with you. Okay, they want to take action, they want to let you know the things what they are feeling, because king of cups is right up next to the 8 of wands, so they want to tell you, they want to let you know all the things. Okay, so we will pull some advice cards from the unicorn stacks. What is the advice cards for the pile number 1? Please let us know. Please, angels. Okay. Prosperity, the number 7. Prosperity is flowing towards you, so be open to receive it. Okay, so prosperity is going to come into your life, so you have to be receptive. You might be not offering their cup of love, but your guidance is, prosperity is going to come. If you are thinking that will be this connection will be prosperous or healthy, so they want to let you know, the universe, the 25 is the 2 plus 5 is 7, so they want to let you know, they like to let you know that prosperity is here. Okay, prosperity is flowing towards you, so be open to receive it. Okay, next message. So many cards, we will pull one card. Okay, rainbow. There is a rainbow beyond the clouds, so you are questioning the situation. Okay, because of the storm weather, there is a storm weather, but the rainbow is here, hope is here. You should be hopeful for this connection. See, 26, 25, 26, so it is going to level up, this connection is going to level up. Okay, and the listening, 33, listen and the answers will be revealed. So you have to let go all the clutter in your mind, all the negativity in from your mind, and then you can listen to your intuition. The scale is going to balance. See, 33, so you might be twin flame soulmate connection, you are might be in the twin flame soulmate connection. I right now only I has been told you that this is the power couple, queen of cups and queen of king of cups. So this is the power couple. Okay, so you have to listen your intuitions and listen to your the messages there which are god is giving you in the different form. You might be seeing lot of synchronicities, or might be seeing lot of repeated numbers, letters. Okay, so you have to check all these things in the google, that will be, it will be, your answer will get revealed, what is the meaning of that number and what is the repetition means. Okay, so you can check it out in the google. And thank you very much for watching the video, and please give me like, share and subscribe. And if you want the personal reading with me, then you can buy it. Okay, I have shared my details in the description box below. Okay, I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. Hello group number 2, these are your cards. Okay, what are their feelings? So first 3 cards will be let us know that the feelings and the thoughts. Okay, this second line will be the thoughts. They are, what are their thoughts? So in their in their feelings, they don't want to fight for the situation, and whatever means, they are in one card it is showing us that they don't want to leave the hope, but they don't want to fight vigorously. Okay, they have all their wants together and they want to just be, they are very guarded. Okay, they don't want to fight, but they are guarded, they are guarding their self, they are guarding their emotions. And they just want to be wish fulfillment, they just want to be wish fulfillment, they just want to all the things will come into true. Okay, in their feelings, but they don't want to, they are defensive, they are defensive right now. So 9 9, these are the this is the synchronicity. Okay, and they don't want to they don't want to give they don't want to let you go. Okay, they have in their thoughts, they don't want to they don't want to lose you. Okay, they want to be with you. Okay, and they are seeing you like an empress. Okay, they are seeing you like an empress, and they just want to cut out all the things which are not good for in your relation or in your situationship. Okay, they are right now able to think, able to see the truth beyond the illusion. Okay, and that's why they want to wish fulfillment, but they want to take the they want to take they want to just take the very swiftly, the action will be swiftly. Okay, you might be dealing with the air sign Gemini, Aquarius, Libra, water signs Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or fire might be in their chart. Okay, and lot of emotions are there. See the Chariot. Okay, the Chariot, they want to take a forward movement. They will do this movement very slowly but very stable, very stable. Okay, see the Judgment, they want, they just they are just getting the guidance. See number 20. So they just want, they are universe is guiding them, and they are come to the conclusion, they are doing the judgment, and their judgment has been done. They want to all the things to cut away which are not serving your connection, which are not good for your situation. Okay, so we will see the advice cards for you from the unicorns decks. What are the advices for you? So they want to be happy with you, they want to be fulfill their wish, they are just guiding their emotions, they are just guarding their emotions, and in thoughts, in actions, they want to cut out all the negative situation, all the false illusions, negative people, and they don't want to go, or they don't want to let you go. Okay, very nice. Hope, wisdom, and aspiration. So the universe is the guidance, the unicorns are letting you know that be hopeful for the situation, look with the new eyes, and create the changes that awaits you. Okay, just you have to be hopeful, because if you are hopeful, then only you will attract all the abundance, all the love, and all the positive situations in your life. Even though this is the storm weather, but still hope is here. You should be hopeful in the way, you should be the positively hopeful. Okay, and see 3 plus 2 is 9, wisdom. Again, this is 5 and this is 5. So wisdom, act with the wisdom, and people will respect you. Whatever your decision will be, it will be people will be appreciate, people will be respect you. Okay, so don't worry about all the things. And the aspiration, you just have to aim for big and high. Okay, because you are unlimited, you have so much courage and so much power in you. Okay, so aim for the star. Okay, you might be thinking to be a star, for some of you it might be resonating, but you have the potential, you have the source, unlimited source of power, courage, so you can do it. Okay, so universe is letting you know that. Okay, so if the messages are resonating with you, then please let me know in the comment section, and if you want the personal guidance, then you can take. Okay, and I will share my detail in the description down below. So I will meet you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel, so that you can get the notification for my new and next videos. Okay, I will meet you in the next video. Hello group number 3, these are your cards, and these are the feelings your currently your partner and your spouse is thinking for, and they want to take the actions. Okay, and overall energy is the 4 of wands. So overall they want to be stable, offer stable connection with you, and marriage, this is the 4 of wands is the card of marriage. Okay, so we will start with the reading, what they are thinking, or they are feeling. Okay, so they want to, so you got the 2 cards of the family, they want to be build up family with you, very happy family. Okay, and they want to, this will be the new world for them, and they want to be balanced, it will be balanced, they are thinking that will be balanced. Okay, they want to be having the balanced life, balanced happily life, balanced family life with you. Okay, and 10 of pentacles showing us the Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus personality, that the signs they might be having in their chart. Okay, sun, moon, rising. Okay, and it might be Mars in their chart, or maybe Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, and they so they are thinking, they are feeling to travel with you in the overall in the world. or they want to be planning for the travel with together, okay, and they want to be having very good family with you. And in their actions right now they are ready to take actions, okay, whatever the confusion they were facing since past, okay, so they have been come out from that, okay. The whatever the internal external conflict or whatever the mindset or might be the situation was very tricky, but they has been decided that they will come to you, and in the actions they will offer you this cup of love, which is very nice, okay. And they want to manifest the things with you, they want to be mastery with you, they want to be have very fruition and a very nice family fulfillment with you, okay, which will be infinite. So they will be the good manifestors like a Gemini, okay, or maybe Scorpio, any sign. You might be dealing with the any sign, but they want they want happy family with you, they want commitment, and they want the officially committed with you, marriage with you, okay. So congratulations. And now we will pull some advice cards from the unicorns decks for you. What are the guidance for you from the unicorns decks? Okay, intuitions. Number 15. Okay, lots of cards. Flight, okay, and 22 openings. So intuitions, listen to your inner wisdom. The angels want you let you know that please listen to your intuitions, your intuitions are guiding you, and go for it. The number 9 is a universal number, which is flight. Let your creative imaginations fly, okay. So universe is letting you know that let your creative imaginations fly, whatever you have a creative ideas, creative thoughts, creative work, creative new things in your mind, intuitively you are feeling, so go for it. It might be your career, it might be your for your situation, for your connection, okay. So universe is guiding you that they are with you. Go with your imaginations, your creative imaginations, okay. And the number 22, see 11 and 22. So lot of synchronicities, you might be dealing with the twin flame soulmate connection, okay. Openings, so so new door is opening for you, because universe is letting you know that let your creative imaginations fly, and that will be the key of your new door, okay. The new door will be open for you. I think for some of you, after your as you come into this connection, or this connection might be very significant for you in your career career aspect, okay. Or this person might be your colleague, and or your boss, or this person might be very supportive for your career, okay. And that will be the key of your career also, and the family life also, because there are openings, okay. 22, or you might be having the you might be having lot of options, choices. As your imaginations, you are very creative person, as it is you are a very good manifestors, okay. Your person is also very good manifester, and you are also very good manifestors. So number 4 and number 4. So in your marriage or in your connection situation, love connection, the stability is going to come into your way, and for your career also the stability will come into your way, because this will be very positive for your career life also. This connection might be for some of you, okay. So this was your reading. Please let me know in the comment section if it is resonating with you, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, so that you can get notification for my new videos and updates. And if you want any private reading, personal reading, then I have shared my details in the description down below. You can contact me, okay. And stay tuned with the Tarot's Galaxy 1111. I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.